Good evening, this is your operator Gribbz. Tonight I'm going to be going over the running man, a move also used in the Melbourne Shuffle. If you haven't seen my last video on the bread and butter, which is the T-step, the primary move of the Melbourne Shuffle, go and check that out below. Then tune back into this video, but we're going to dive in. So the running man, which comes from a completely different dance as mentioned before, that dance is hip-hop. The origins of the running man are known to have come from places such as Africa, where they have a lot of earthy, really stomp-like footwork. It didn't begin to be a part of the Melbourne Shuffle till the early to mid 90s. The running man has been used by famous artists such as like Vanilla Ice, MC Hammer, Janet Jackson, Britney Spears even is another one, and there's a handful more, of course. So to begin, we are going to turn to our right here so you can get a better view. So the original running man comes from hip hop, okay? It's 2 steps. First step, you hop. Second hop is back. Then you reset when you hop back up on the middle foot for the other side. 1 hop, 2 hop. 1 hop, 2 hop. So that is the running man. When used in the Melbourne Shuffle, combined with the T-step, it's going to look like this, and I will break down the transition in a minute. So let's say you're T-stepping. Now you're going to go into a running man. Okay, so how did I do that? For those of you who don't know, there's transitions. There's transitions in life and anything you do to get to the next move or thing. So for this particular dance, when your knee comes up, whether you're doing the running man first or the T-step, that's when your transition would be. So watch carefully. So we're going to do T-step, T-step, T-step. See how my knee retracted, it came back up. This sets me up for a running man. Okay, so that is the one of the fundamentals of the Melbourne Shuffle. Okay, so another tip here. In the beginning, you might come down on your heels. Okay, you want to work on flattening those, because just think of it as like when you're running on the track. Okay, when you're running on a track or you're going for a jog, you're not landing on your heels. Okay, but for some reason, when we start out in the beginning, if you don't have a teacher or a mentor, I've noticed some people come down on their heels, which is not bad, and that's a completely other style as well. But for the Melbourne Shuffle, for the Melbourne running man, you want to come down flat, like that. Okay, you're gonna hear a nice stomp. You want that nice flat sound when you land every single time. Okay, so keep that in mind. Keep drilling this. It'll come in time. Work on getting your knees up higher if you want. I like to go for like a 90-degree look. It looks better in your videos. But if you're dancing to less aggressive music, you can, like say house or something, or alternative or techno even, you can maybe be a little you can be chill with it. You can be down here. Okay? So